This is part 2 of the tenderloin that I'm cooking with this special rub that I'm not going to tell you that I made. You know, this every half hour I take it out and baste it. You know, I've had it on since 5:30, so it's been on for an hour. I usually try to cook it between 2.5 hours, sometimes 2 hours to do it. You know, but yeah, that's how I'm doing on a Sunday. Y'all usually see my videos of the me doing the ribs, but this time I'm doing the tenderloin. Just basting it. Now for an hour I've cooked it with the top on, with this foil on. So now I'm gonna do an hour with it off. And I'm gonna do a tasting in a little while. Alright, y'all. Part 2.